Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Robinhood year-end tax documents for TurboTax. Easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. To begin, log into your Robinhood account on your preferred device. Navigate to the account icon located in the bottom right corner of the app. From there, select the Statements and History option. Now, click on Tax Documents to access your year-end tax information. You should see tax documents for the previous tax year listed here. Look for the 1099 form, which contains essential tax information for reporting. Tap on the 1099 to view and download it in PDF format. Save this document to a location on your device where you can easily find it. Next, open TurboTax on your device. Begin a new tax return or continue from where you left off. When prompted about your investment income, select the option for importing tax documents. TurboTax will then ask if you want to import from your broker. Choose Robinhood from the list of available brokers. You'll be directed to sign into your Robinhood account. Enter your Robinhood login credentials to authenticate. Once connected, TurboTax will automatically download your 1099 tax document. Review the imported information to ensure accuracy. If everything looks correct, proceed to finish your tax return as guided by TurboTax. If any additional questions arise, follow TurboTax's instructions for clarification. Lastly, ensure you e-file or print your tax return according to your preference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.